warm welcome from my kitchen. Today I will prepare onion salad. This one, today I cook so many dishes, but I want to share with you this onion salad because this onion salad is very easy to prepare, and basically sometime when you are eating biryani, majboos as like me, when I serve this majboos and biryani, that time I also serve this onion salad. That time I like to serve this onion salad. So here I am to share with you how I'll make easily this onion salad with vegetable green chili. So let's start. And before we start, I want to tell you, if you are new in here, then you can consider your subscribe to my channel in down, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Okay, thank you, and stay with me because this is very easy. This is very easy salad, which one I will show you, and is a very short time you can make that one in your home. So don't go anywhere, just watch for a little time and stay with me for a little time. Okay, let's do it.
So here are the ingredients for my onion salad, which one I prepared today. This is the onion. Check this onion, it's a finely chopped onion. This is finely chopped onion here. Two medium size of onion I chopped here in finely, and that is tomato. That one also finely chopped here. Finely chopped one piece of tomato. This is coriander. Coriander will be 3 tablespoons of coriander here. One finely chopped tomato, 2 medium size of onion finely chopped, and here that is lemon juice. This is lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice here, and I will use only salt and black pepper. Salt and black pepper. Only this is the ingredient I will use for onion salad. So let's mix it. Yes, here we are. I already mixed coriander, tomato and lemon juice. I already mixed here, and now I am going to add salt. Salt for the taste. I use here first half teaspoon of salt. Okay, now little bit of black pepper. Little bit of black pepper. Okay, now mix it. Mix well. After finish mix here, I will put this salad here. This is the chili, which one I called vegetable chili. You can eat this chili fresh, but today this one I will use this onion salad inside of this vegetable chili. When finish here, just taste your salad. If you think your food is in good taste, then enough this one. It will be good taste also for your guest. So taste it. Okay, good. Now I will put this one inside of this vegetable green chili. So how you will put? See, I cut this chili middle of here, only one side. And here I will put the onion salad. Okay, now I will put here. Okay, my friends, here is the onion salad inside a vegetable green chili. I hope you enjoy it, and if you are enjoy, then hit the like button. Then I will get inspired from you. Inspired me. It will be helpful for me to come next week.